2014 Dodge Ram with 3.6. They did evaporator core, and now the blower motor does not work. You can see we don't have any fault codes really. Engine oil pressure sensor, VIN, issues with the ABS. We have the blower motor on, so it does not work. Let's see what we can find. First things first, we want to do our diagrams. So I like to pull up additional windows for my diagrams. OE, HVAC. Where are we at? Heating and air conditioning. It's a 3.6. Well, must be an 8-speed. DSL. Okay, we're going to have to figure that out. How are we going to do that? Copy. Manual temperature control, automatic temperature control. All right, we'll go with this. Okay, so now we have AC relay, which is working just fine. This is not where we need to be. Pressure transducer. But we can go to the powertrain control module, which is most likely where we need to be at. Let's see here. Steering column, passenger door, electronic, blah, 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 blah. Yep. So this is not automatic air conditioning, so it doesn't have a module for us to talk to, unfortunately. So it will be PCM that controls like the clutch and whatnot. So it's all manual. We're going to see how this works out. Let's see if the compressor is on. AC high side, it is fluctuating 170 psi. It could be on. It's a pretty cool morning today. AC clutch relay desired state, true. So that probably means on. All right. So this is not where we want to be. Let's go back. Manual temperature control. Okay, AC heater, perfect. Sun sensor, start connector, so it does communicate on the CAN bus. Temperature sensor, mixing mode, recirculation, blend, ground, blower control. There you go. Blower control. Dark blue, light blue goes to B. Let's see here. Just scrolling through, looking through everything. Is there anything important? Blower control, module, power, blower, motor, front, B. So, this is what we have going on. It looks like it, I don't know if it's coming or going, which way it's coming or going. I assume if this is the module AC heater, this is module blower unit, it must come from this module, which is the controller, shoots down to B, which is probably like the resistor basically, and then you have your ground, and then you got power out to the blower relay. It's completely wrong. So where's the blower motor? Front blower motor module. He said it was missing a ground. Power. So let's check down there. So power and ground are good. Next thing you know we got to do is blower control. What is the blower control? We don't know. Okay, for sure there is no control. Whatsoever, which means that most likely we have an open circuit or a dead control head. All right, pin 17 is blower control, and we checked it at the blower motor itself, that dark blue and light blue wire. We had no control. Here, we pierced that wire at the back of the connector from the control head, and the exact same thing. We have no control. As I move the resistor, we get nothing. All right, now I need to know that that wire is not shorted to ground. So we go ahead and unplug the connector at the controller. We unplugged the connector at the blower. Now I've got my test light set up here. And we're going to verify that we do not have it shorted to ground. Oh, sorry, this is tricky. And we are plugged in. The center control wire, no short to ground. And obviously we already saw that there is no battery positive on there. No short to power. Easy checks. The controller is dead. Now the only thing is that there's only one power and one ground for the controller. So the controller does light up. It does send a signal out to the clutch. So the controller has failed. There's no need to check powers and grounds prior. And of course I was wrong about that. It's got a battery constant. It's got a power feed. And then, yeah, the one ground. So all you would do is verify that those are good, which we can do right now. This may be hard to see. It's lit up. It's lit up. It's our two ground, or two power, sorry. We'll swap over. And we'll check our ground. Which is 12, 13, 14, and 14. And we're lit up on ground. Okay, so the customer asked about the active fault codes for original VIN mismatch/matching, vehicle configuration mismatch in the ABS control module. So what we're going to do is we're going to look up C2202 up here in the search bar. Air suspension, anti-lock brakes. It's monitored with the ignition on. No under voltage DTCs. Set conditions. Current vehicle identification number and ABS module does not match. Powertrain control module VIN not programmed. Anti-lock brakes not initialized. So you would want to verify that the chassis VIN matches the scan tool, what's in the PCM. DTC is active, wrong VIN programmed. Right here. Correct VIN is programmed to the PCM, yes. Initialize the ABS module. Perform any service bulletins that may be applied. When performing ABS initialization routine, vehicle temperature must be above 50 degrees. Miscellaneous functions, turn ignition off, cycle off to on, wait 10 seconds with the scan tool. Does it remain active? Let's find out. Now we're gonna put the laptop out the way, cycle the key off, turn the key on. We're gonna go ahead and shut this door. We're gonna go to special functions, ABS initialization. Please ensure stationary on level ground, wheels are straight, brake pedal is released. That is correct, all conditions are met. Initialization complete, please continue. Starting G sensor calibration, please ensure vehicle is stationary and on level ground. Sure would be nice if it stopped dinging at us. Please cycle the ignition. Press OK when complete. Turn it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn it on. 3, 4, 5. It's okay. Clearing rolls. Engine must not be running. Conditions are correct. Resetting rolls, please wait. Pass, test completed. Boom. Back out. No fault. Cycle the key off. I believe that the service information said to, what did it say? Turn ignition off. DTC. So it doesn't give us a time. Sometimes they'll say like 10 seconds or something. I like to do at least 5 seconds. Let's start it up. Oh. And we have a check engine light, but no ABS. Now, if this thing starts rolling and it trips a fault code, it is what it is, not my problem. But you know what? Right now, we're good to go. My job is complete. There is no test drive needed on this vehicle. It does everything stationary.